Now, I know some of you might be gazing through the snowy Christmas scenery, but actually my topic is more related to the structure that's crossing this landscape. What we're looking at here is a pipeline transporting oil and gas, our main source of energy for decades to come. It is made of steel, and like any other material, when in contact with its environment, it will inevitably degrade. This process can be accelerated by the presence of water, such as snow and rain on the outside. Now, I know you cannot see it, but you'll have to take my word for it. There is even more water flowing inside the pipeline. So, a supplementary degradation process from the inside. How do the oil field companies deal with such a problem? Normally, what they try to do is add some chemicals that will form an artificial layer on the inside of this pipeline, thus stopping the water from touching the steel. This works pretty fine, but it doesn't last long because with the fast flow of the oil, these artificial film will detach, and the companies are forced to keep adding chemicals every week. This is a very costly intervention. In the United States alone, it is estimated to be as high as $2 billion every year. So the question is, can we do things differently and save a lot of money? Normally, when any material degrades, it forms a sort of layer. Maybe you're familiar with rust. Similar things happen on the inside. Now, when we look at high magnification at this rust, we found out that it's formed of very tiny and well-compact crystals that provide a certain degree of protection. So what we tried to do is take advantage of that. And for the last 3 years, what I was trying to achieve is to make these crystals grow faster and cover the whole surface of the steel. And we've managed to do so in specific conditions. Our results showed that we have a system which is 10 times more protective, but more importantly, the mechanical properties are also increased to resist the flow and stay there and protect the steel. All what's left to do now is to switch from our lab tests to some field experimentations, and hopefully we'll get a patent for that. Thank you for your attention.